Passa lei com famia mientras vos queda controlar o nível de suco dentro do sangue e porta algo duro para estar com diabetes.
You have to think ahead, you have to plan ahead, you have to think about what kind of food is going to be there.
Dr. Kitty Wine de Ohio State University Wexner Medical Center ha comentado que uma pessoa mesmo pode controlar isso aqui de diferente maneira, dependendo se não tem diabetes tipo 1 ou tipo 2.
The person who has type 1 diabetes has to figure out how to plan to match their insulin to their food. The person with type 2 diabetes has to ask the question of what can I eat that's healthy? How can I still have fun but not overeat?
Para manejar diabetes, Dr. Wine te recomenda para quedar arriba schedule. Por ejemplo, come de horario não regular. Disfrutar de comida dulce moderadamente.
Oh my gosh, if you knew how much sugar was in the pecan pie, you'd probably never eat it again.
Dr. Wine ha comentado que você está consciente quanto carbs vos consumir, como também evitar soft drinks e álcool. E se está hábito de suco de cozinhar, procure cozinhar com coisa natural e saudável em vez de salo. E queda ativo é importante para manter bom nível de suco bom.
You don't have to go run a marathon, but just going for a walk. Going for a walk after an event can be really good for you and help to keep your sugar down.
Mi Fabiola Angela Hernandez para Noticia.